I have heard the voice of my people, and if you're watching, my people are you. And you have said that you wanted to learn how to make CapCut videos. And today I'm going to be showing you how I make my videos and edit straight from the comfort of my hand with my mobile device. So in this video, I'm going to be going over how I make a video kind of from start to finish, how to cut, edit, add music, add sound effects, do transitions, and all things in between. And hopefully, if you are a small or emerging content creator who hates editing and wants something that's easier on your mind, easier on your workflow, then this video would be for you. And no, I don't pretend to be a CapCut pro. I'm here to share with you what I know so that you can grow on your YouTube journey. So I'm just gonna hop right over into the video. You guys know I really can't see without my glasses. So for the tutorial, I'll be using my spectacles in order to point out and to highlight things on our mobile devices. What I'm gonna do is put up a video that I already had made, and we're gonna chop it up from start to finish as if I was editing this video. We're gonna just pretend like I've shot the entire video on my iPhone, which is what I use. I use an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the video is just downloaded into my phone. I will be uploading that video from my iPhone into the CapCut app. So here we go. From here, we want to hop right into our App Store and download CapCut. Once you have CapCut downloaded, you want to go into New Projects and select a video from your device by selecting from your library. Once you select from your library, it will show up here, and then you select the video. And here is your video. Get very familiar with the dashboard down at the bottom where you're able to upload any text, select any text, do any deletions, add more videos from your library or from the CapCut library itself from photos. We're going to add another video from our device at the beginning of the video that we've already uploaded. And from here, we're going to start cutting up our video. From here, you just select the split button, and it will place a cut anywhere in the video you would desire. From there, you can shorten just by sliding the video itself. You can shorten the length, or you can delete the entire portion of the video by hitting the delete button. The next thing we want to do is start adding some text into our video. By selecting the text icon, your keyboard will come up and you can text as desired, and that text will show up on your screen. And from here, you can select any type of font you desire. You can move the font around. You can move the words around anywhere on the screen. You can change any of the fonts that you like to suit your need. From here, you're also able to duplicate the same text on screen. You can change the colors. You can change the shadowing or any other specialties that you would like. Also, you could change animations and the speed in which the animations show up on your screen. Additionally, you're able to modify how long the text stays on the screen just by moving the caption bar. You can also duplicate the same text on the screen just by clicking to the left of the box, and you can move the same text around on the screen just by clicking the below left portion of the text box, the little square button. There are so many options when it comes to fonts on CapCut. It's amazing. They make it really simple to create videos. Now let's get into some transitions. CapCut is amazing for adding all types of transitions just by clicking on the transition button at the bottom of the screen that says transitions. You can transition in and out. You can do all kinds of slides all kinds of zooms just by selecting the transition button. You can also change the timing if you want your transitions to go faster or slower, transitioning throughout the scene, just by using the little slider, moving it from right to left. This upcoming transition is one of my favorites. I don't use it enough, but it is really cool. And it adds all types of texture and visual adaptations to your videos. It makes it more interesting. Also, when it's time to add stickers like the subscribe button or the like button, that's easy to do as well, just by selecting the stickers button at the bottom bar of your CapCut app. And if you want to add more depth into your video by adding sound, when you add your, say for example, you add your subscribe button, you want to add a little ding notification, you can find that in the trending sounds section of the CapCut application at the bottom menu under sounds and sound effects. When you select a sound, it shows up as a blue bar. You're able to slide the blue bar around so that it will match when it shows up on your video and the duration for which it shows up in your video. There are all kind of cool sounds like the like button sound, clicks, typewriter sounds, and all those cool sounds. Some of the sounds are really upbeat and trendy. You just have to watch out for copyright. Say you wanted to add some music into your background, you would just select sounds and it will take you to the sound application of CapCut, and there's all kind of copyright free music. However, if you do download some music and it happens to be copywritten, it will give you a little yellow caution icon at the bottom to let you know that it is copywritten material before downloading. It gives you the option to change your sounds prior to downloading. So that's what I do like about CapCut. However, I have noticed that even though it says it's copyright free, when I upload it to YouTube, sometimes it's copywritten. So just know that to be the case in some sounds that you may be adding to your video. All of your music shows up as a little blue bar. You're able to cut and edit those songs appropriately. If they're too long, you're also able to control the volume. Another amazing feature I like about CapCut is this retouch tool. You're able to address any skin issues, apply any makeup, or put any filters on any of your videos appropriately just by using the retouch tool at the bottom menu. You're also able to add eyelashes if you like. Just be careful of that because sometimes it does look like it's AI generated. You can actually add an entire full face of makeup if you like. Whenever I do this, I just try to make sure that it's super light and natural looking to go along with my eyelashes. Another amazing feature is the ability to add captions, auto captions at the bottom of your CapCut app is the captions feature. Once selected, your script will come up on your video itself and it will show up throughout your entire video, and you're able to modify it. If you do not want it on every screen of your video itself, you can just double click on the screen on the text and remove it. CapCut is amazing for beginners. It's super easy to use. When you're done with your video, make sure to take out the end screen of CapCut because it automatically shows up and you don't want to look like a newbie. So once you're done, you're able to export it. Your video will show up in your saved files on your phones under the photos options if you have an iPhone. And then all you have to do is change your file name and make sure that it's keyword optimized and upload into YouTube. And you're good to go. So there we go. You did it. You have now edited a video from start to finish. And if you like this video and it's been helpful to you, then be sure to leave a like. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down in the comment section. Me or someone from my community will be happy to help you on your video making journey. Bye-bye. As soon as I pushed play, my ears clogged up. Ugh.